A lot of things make me proud about Viking Pump of Canada, but I think the two things that come to mind are culture and the people.
I love coming into work. It really does feel like home here.
It makes a great environment for the workplace, and everybody just always kind of looking out for each other.
I still remember my first day of joining. I was a little nervous, super excited. But when I came here, everyone was so welcoming.
There's so much knowledge that's gathered. It's just made such a great atmosphere to work in.
From our inside applications team to our project engineering team to the guys in our shop, right, that actually making this product for us that our salespeople sell. You can see that everybody takes pride in their work.
I remember my first time doing inventory, it was outside in the snow.
Yeah.
It was cold. And where we're standing, there was baskets of raw castings that you had to brush the snow off to figure out how many you had in a basket.
A lifespan of a 100-year-old company and myself being here for 35 years, seeing multiple changes, and we still continue today, and the product speaks for itself.
The quality of our products out there that we manufacture, it's state of the art. We're a leader in that industry.
The collaboration and the spirit, as well as the, community involvement and the diversity amongst the individuals, what makes this team really strong.
We are multicultural in our company. We're very welcoming team.
It takes more than one person to come up with a great idea, and the more input you have, the better the result.
I believe that when we succeed as a company all together, we have bigger goals, and that goals can be not just selling pumps, it's to grow within this community and make a difference in the community. The more we're becoming successful, the more we're able to give out and help people, and that's been amazing.
As long as we continue to do that and do great things for our community and always giving back, I think we're always going to be in a better spot and a better place.
I think we're on the right track right now, so I think just take this model, expand it over time, and I think good things will happen. It should be around for another 100 years, no problem.
Here's to 100 more years.
Here's to another 100 years.
Just to next 100 years.
Here's to another 100 years.
Here's to another 100 years.
Here's to another 100 years.
Here's to 100 more years.
Here's another 100 years. Go get them.